let's do delete an instructor list because that one's going to be really easy after the one that we just did. So delete an instructor list is going to be just like selecting an instructor list for print. It's going to be select instructor list for delete. So let's go ahead and paste select instructor list for delete. And then this is going to look exactly the same, except select instructor list to delete. Select the instructor list you wish to delete. Please use the drop-down menu to select the instructor list you want to delete, and then press the delete button to continue. And then the action is going to be delete instructor list, and it's going to use get. Instructor list name, this is all the same. And then the button is going to say delete, and it's otherwise the same. And then I probably want to delete succeeded. So let's go ahead and copy update succeeded. Actually, just paste. So instead of update succeeded, this is going to be delete succeeded. And then delete succeeded. And then instructor list name. Has been successfully deleted. Okay, so that's all the templates. And then for our entry points and view functions, we're going to find select for print, select instructor list for print, and we're going to copy and paste. And this is going to be select instructor list for delete. And anytime you find yourself copying and pasting code, you should be looking for opportunities to refactor the code into a function that takes a parameter. And I already said we could do that basically by adding an argument to the URL for what the destination was, whether it was print or delete or whatever. But that I'm not going to bother doing that and for the sake of keeping the web part as simple as possible. So that's what I'll do. I'll just change that to delete. And then the rest of this is the same, I think. And then I'm going to go to my print instructor list. And let's go ahead and copy that, paste it. And this is going to be delete instructor list. I'm going to close this and reopen it just to see whether that fixes what's going on with the formatting here. And it's not. So the whole thing's just messed up for today. Yeah, I mean, I had to restart PyCharm before class started, and I think it's not very happy, but I'm going to muddle through until the break. So, all right, so delete instructor list name comes out of request.args, and then I look through all of the instructor lists. I find the one that matches, and then here I actually want to do the code that's in the delete. So I go to course instructors UI and I find delete instructor list, which is here. And basically I just call remove, and then I call remove from database. So here, I remove it from the list of all instructor lists. Then I call remove from the database. And then I render template delete instructor list. And I pass in instructor list name, which is going to be instructor list name. Otherwise, if I get an error, I'm going to render an error. Couldn't find instructor list name. That still works. So I think that's everything. So let me actually add to main menu. I'm going to add an item for delete instructor list, and I'll put it right after add. So this will be delete. Actually, I should have copied this one. So select instructor list for delete. And this will be delete an instructor list. So let's run it. Defunction mapping is overriding an existing endpoint print instructor list. So let me go back up here. So I should have changed that to delete instructor list. So let's try it again. And let's go to the main menu. So delete an instructor list. Select the instructor list you wish to delete. Please use the drop-down menu to select the instructor list you want to delete, and then press the delete button to continue. So let's go ahead and delete 275. And I got an error. Course instructors UI not defined because it's course instructors web UI. I missed that one. And then the rest of them look okay. So let's try that again. Reload that. 275, delete. Yeah, I called it instructor list there. That should be right. This time, template not found, delete instructor list. Oh, because should be delete succeeded. Let's try that. So 275's been deleted already, so that worked. It just didn't write the message. Let's delete 244. 244 has been successfully deleted. Let's delete 133J. 133J has been deleted. And I've deleted enough.